And in the back, I have a bunch of short pieces. So the stylist who cut my hair, she recommended that I get a keratin treatment to try to maintain and kind of calm down these curls so I can try to stretch the back and whatnot. So I thought that I would take you guys along with me for the journey so that you guys can see how to get a keratin treatment. I am not doing it myself because I'm not trying to mess with all of those chemicals and whatnot. Keratin, I've been doing some research, and it is a chemical, but it is a very small amount. And so I thought that, you know, I just need to do something, and I'm not trying to straighten my hair myself or get any heat damage. And so the salon that I'm going to is actually a salon here it's in Kent, Washington. It's a very popular salon for people who have curly hair, and the stylist who did my hair, she actually is a curl specialist, so I really trust her. She cut my hair, and I just really trust her with my hair. So we're gonna take it one step at a time. We're gonna get this keratin treatment, and by the time I come out of the salon, my hair will be nice and straight and new. I haven't straightened my hair in like years, probably like 2 years. So I'm really excited to see what it looks like and kind of, you know, get a new look and kind of see how this helps my hair and its health. So if you guys like more videos like this, you guys want to come along with me to spas and, you know, appointments for beauty, then make sure you guys like and subscribe to my channel so you guys never miss out on another video like this. And let's go. Okay, you guys, so I am completely done with the treatment that I did, the keratin treatment. I hope that you guys liked the video. This is the results. Supposedly, these are the results, and it is windy here in Washington. Like, seriously, look. It is just craziness. It's crazy outside. But I just finished with the treatment, and these are the results. I really love it. Honestly, I miss having my hair straight because of just, it's a whole nother look. And I haven't straightened my hair literally in like 3 years. So I'm super excited to have a new look for a couple days. And with talking with the stylist, I don't know if I actually got the footage when she was talking about everything, but I have to leave my hair like this for 72 hours. So for 3 days, I cannot get water on it. I can't put any products in it. I just have to leave it like this. If I can't like put it behind my ears or put it in a ponytail. And if I do, or like I'm sleeping on it and there's like, you know, you can see anything, I have to like straighten it out so that the bonds and everything will stay together. But I'm super excited to see how this really helps out my hair, because when my hair was, because after I got my hair cut and everything, it was just like, I felt like it was so unmanageable because it was so short. And I don't know, after having my kids, I feel like my hair and its texture has changed. She was telling me, she's like, you have 3 different textures in your hair. I was like, no kidding. So I'm excited to have this new look, and I hope that you guys like it. And yeah, so this was my first time, like I said, doing keratin treatments, and she recommended it to really help kind of maintain, to manage my hair, help with the frizz, seal down everything so that, you know, my hair be looking good when it's curly. So I will try to vlog over the next couple days and like show you guys what it looks like. But if not, I hope that you guys do enjoy this video, and I will try to show you guys what it looks like when the first time that I actually wash my hair. If I can remember, I will try to show you guys what it looks like and everything like that. I have another appointment with her in 4 weeks to come back and kind of get a trim for when it actually is curly, to make sure, because we did trim a little bit today, but I know that I will have to trim more just to make sure it's shaped, because we trimmed it before when it was curly, right now when it was straight, and then I'm gonna come back again in 4 weeks to kind of finish up the shape and everything. But yeah, these are the results, and it's super silky and it feels so soft, and I love it. So yeah, so I hope that you guys enjoyed this type of video, coming along with me to the salon. If you guys want to see more videos like this, beauty tutorials, hair tutorials, things like that, then make sure you guys like and subscribe to my channel so that you guys never miss out on another video. All right, and until next time, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.